Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and enjoying my beauty videos on my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. I have uploaded several YouTube videos on beauty tips. My last video was on lip care. If you would like to watch that, then at the end of this video you will get a link to it. Today I will show you how to make our hands beautiful. Before we do that, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. To make our hands beautiful, I will show you 3 DIYs. Our first DIY is hand scrub. Hand scrub will make your hands clean. Our second DIY is hand pack. Hand pack will make your hands shiny. And our third DIY is hand cream. Hand cream moisturize your hands and make it smooth. So let's see how to make it. To make us hand scrub, we need 1 spoon of sugar and 1 spoon olive oil, and then we have to mix it. Now our hand scrub is ready. Now I will show you how to apply a hand scrub. When we do that, just first wet our hands and then take a little bit scrub and apply it on our hands and then scrub it for 5 minutes. I have already scrubbed my hands for 5 minutes and then I am going to wash my hands with clean and cold water. To make a hand pack, we need a half banana and 1 tablespoon of honey. We have to mix it very well and then we have to apply it for 15 to 20 minutes and then we have to wash our hands with clean and cold water. Now I will show you how to make it. Now our hand pack is ready. Now I will show you how to apply it on our hands. Then keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash your hands. So after 15 to 20 minutes I already washed my hands and now we will make our hand cream. For that we need a aloe vera gel, glycerin, 1 vitamin E capsule and we need a coconut oil. We need a 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We need a 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel and you can store this cream 2 to 3 weeks, so please use this market aloe vera gel and 1 spoon glycerin and 1 vitamin E capsule. And now we have to mix all the ingredients very well. It will turn into creamy foam and you can use this hand cream every day before your night sleep. Now I will show you how to apply a hand cream. Just take a little bit and apply it on your hands. You can use this hand cream on your daily basis, and our hand scrub and hand pack you can use twice a week. And please try this DIY at your home and share your result in the comment section below. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.